Good evening, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, August the 14th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and binary. And one puzzle is left. That's this one. Yes. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 6923. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And this one is, I believe, 8 by 11. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 by 11. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here 2 single boxes. Here 1, there 1. Single boxes is always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple, correction, we have a 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple box. I see only 1 quadra box. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, here, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, the other numbers could be everywhere. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. Yeah. The first strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first one, let me draw the L shape upside down. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shapes? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, do we have more? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1, yes. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? If you rotate this, you will get the Z here. Alright. The Z construction, or if you mirror this, you will get the S construction. Well, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only 1 Z construction. Do we have more shapes, figures, structures, or constructions in this puzzle? Nope. We have here in this puzzle. Oh wait, I've not drawn this. Finish this. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Okay. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, I have only 3. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Shoot it down. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be down. these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 3, this box can be 5, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4 and is connected with that box should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. These are 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 because we have double 4 there. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. But this box can also not be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this cross area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box, wait, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here, so 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3, let me mark those 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for us 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, let me think. These, wait. Yeah, can be 1. Yeah, 1. No 4. No 2. Well, this box cannot be 1 or a 3 because we have a double 1 there and a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. W area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. A 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 there and a double 3 there. So this box can be a 1, could be a 2, can be a 3. Oh, could be also a 4, yeah, 2 and a 4, okay. How about this box then? Well, I need to wait here. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this area from us, a 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 2. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this Z construction should be there, the 4, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from us 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area from us 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, should be an easy one with 15 printed digits. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.